guys, what's going on? Welcome to this yet another edition of Study Crypto. Today, we're going to go over Libero.financial, which is the latest reflection token on the Binance Smart Chain that seems to be really doing extremely well. We're going to get into it, but first, before we do it, do us a big favor. Please hit that like button as well as that subscribe button and ding that notification bell as well. These informational videos are time sensitive, many of them, so you want to have those notifications pinging so you don't miss out on the next big opportunity in crypto. And as always, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, and crypto investing is high risk, so do be careful. Now, let's move on. Let's get into it. Libero. This is a reflection token that is touting the world's highest fixed APY, which is 158,000 plus percent. Okay, which is pretty bananas. It's questionable whether that's sustainable. Definitely doesn't sound like it's sustainable, but it's been performing very well. So a couple of the highlights here with Libero.financial is that it has some really good audits behind it. It has a KYC, low risk by Thorium, and it's audited by Certec. Okay, as a Certec audit, Certec is top notch. Okay, and they're audited by the Thorium auditing team. They have the KYC by Thorium. They're also audited by Market Move. Okay, and they're audited by Rug Free Coins. So they have quite a lot of audits going on with this project, which is definitely a plus. Okay, so I find that really good. So let's just read some of their white paper briefly. Libero is positioned to lead a revolution in DeFi with the Libero Auto Staking Protocol, or LAP, a new financial protocol that makes staking easier and gives Libero token holders the highest stable returns in crypto. Basically, it's a reflection token. Let's just skim through this. Apparently, you can buy it on PancakeSwap, but they also have a link in their website. They had some interesting information here as well. Let's take a look here. So they give out rewards every 30 minutes, and they claim to be DeFi 3.0 multi-chain farming to support high reward yield. They have a burn rate of 2 to 4% of the weekly supply, which I like to hear. That's a positive thing. They've spent a considerable amount of money on advertising. So apparently they had, as you see here in the picture, they had an advertisement in Times Square, which is impressive. Okay. Let's take a look here. So Libero rewards holders with 2.02% daily interest auto compounding every 30 minutes. Okay. And they also have a burn system in place, which assists with that. So as we see here, this is also a multi-chain platform. It's on Binance and Phantom. Okay. Now it has a substantial market cap of already $107 million. That's grown rapidly. Just a few days, it was under 20. Okay, so this thing is getting a lot of traction. If we see here as well, they actually have a sizable marketing and development treasury of $3.8 million. So they have a lot of money behind this program to get the word out. So with a marketing budget like that, I expect us to hear a lot about this platform moving forward. It seems here they're also on many other chains: Polygon, Phantom, as I mentioned, Metis, Kronos. So they're a multi-chain platform, as they stated, that's currently functional. Okay. They have 500,000 gross in the Metis chain of their project. So this project is, again, it's brand new. It's basically a reflection token. As you see here, they keep a running track record of what's been burned as well. So they've already done a burn of $16 million or 13% of the total supply, which is actually pretty impressive, okay, to have that sizable amount of a burn thus far. Okay, that's actually impressive. Okay, the next reward is in 10 minutes. They give you that. And what's fascinating here is they have a backed liquidity of 126%, which is really phenomenal to be backed 126%. That's a big deal. It's not partially backed. Basically, it's almost as if they're over collateralized, which is actually a very good thing. Total token holders are 99,000 people. Okay. And again, this is a brand new protocol that seems to be doing really well. Obviously, you read through this literature here that they have, you can't physically work 24/7, but your money can. If you don't find a way to work, find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. 2 steps to financial freedom, or the 50-50 strategy. Step 1, buy Libero. Step 2, stake 50% of your Libero in Libero Bank for 4 years and keep 50% in your wallet, which is an interesting thing that they have here as well. They have the Libero Bank, which is actually new, which is a way to stake and earn more money on your Libero. So the Libero can sit in your wallet as a reflection token, or you can stake it. So what is Libero Bank? You lock your Libero for any period from 1 day to 4 years in the Libero Bank to receive X Libero, the X Libero token as a receipt. Proportionally, the longer you lock, the more X Libero you receive. A 4-year lock will give you a 1-to-1 ratio of Libero. By just holding X Libero every day, you get BUSD rewards from 7% of the trading volume plus 1.05% Libero interest. So that's not bad. You're getting that 1% interest per day, plus you're getting 7% of the rewards. Obviously, it's based upon your proportion that you hold of Libero. You will get back your locked amount after 66 days if you lock for 4 years. X Libero holders will receive other benefits such as multi-chain farming profits in the future. Blah, blah, blah. Interesting. This is definitely a different twist on the reflection token. Okay. So far, total Libero rewarded is a little over $3 million. Total BUSD rewarded is $1.2 million. Total BUSD to be rewarded is 471,000. So they're rewarding people again in BUSD, which is a stable coin, which is nice. I like that idea. Okay. So as we look here, we can see how much X Libero is in circulation. And the average lock time is 1,200 days. So 365 times 4. So most people are going for the 4-year average lock time, for the 4-year lock time. And you can choose your lock time here. Locked for 2 weeks, 1 month, 6 months, 4 years, or you can just do by the day. And this is how you would do it. You would approve your Libero here that you want to lock. First, you have to buy the Libero. You can get that on PancakeSwap. And speaking of buying, let's take a look at the chart. So as you can see, the Libero token has had a bit of a up and down road. Right now, this is Libero pegged against WBNB. Okay, it's a bit up and down. We're at a we're not at a low, but it looks like we're about to break a downtrend that it was on for the last couple of days. And if you do the measurement, we're down almost 50% from all-time highs. Okay, which I'd imagine if you wanted to get in now, this wouldn't be a bad price. We're down 50%, so you're getting a 50% discount. Okay, so they have all of their information lined up here. Seems like an interesting project. I mean, it's definitely worth throwing a couple bucks into. People have seemed to be doing well. Um, it's rewarding in BUSD, which I like. It has a stable coin component, which is BUSD. It's rewarding in that, which is good. It's a reflection token, so you get those auto compounds in your wallet. It has a banking portion where you can lock up. You basically lock up your Libero, and it seems as if the way it works is you lock it up for that period of time. You don't get it back for 4 years, but the point is you get it back. It's not lost like many of the other projects where you put your money in and it's lost, and you only receive the deposits and returns on the portion that you deposited. You don't receive your deposit back. That's not how this works. Okay, so this seems like a really profitable option here with a reward schedule like that. My strategy would be as follows. I would pretty much follow what they said, hold half the Libero that I purchased in my wallet, and then put the other half in the Libero Bank, lock it up for 4 years, and I'll be happily rewarded 7% Libero based upon trading volume. As people jump in, I'll get those rewards, and I'm getting 1% in interest in Libero. So I'm getting 7% in stablecoin based upon what I'll have locked up, and then 1% in Libero, which is awesome. Okay, so I like this, what I'm seeing. It has a lot of money behind it. It has several audits behind it, audited by Certec, which is a big positive. It's KYC, but we still don't know who the actual developer is, right? So that's something to keep in mind. But nevertheless, this is a pretty interesting project. Obviously, they do have a referral system like many of these projects. I'll have my referral link down below so you can check it out. But yeah, I think this is definitely a good project worth getting into. I like Elephant Money better, but this is also part of a diversified portfolio. I would say throw a very small portion of your portfolio into this. Not financial advice. Actually, I wouldn't say do anything. I'm telling you what I'm doing. I'm just putting a very small portion of my portfolio into Libero because this seems like it has legs. It has a team. It has a lot of marketing. They're advertising in Times Square. There's a lot of positives, a lot of audits. I mean, I've rarely seen a project have this many audits behind it, which is, again, a big positive for me. All right, guys, let me know what you think about this project. Leave the comments below. And as always, do us a favor, hit the like button as well as the subscribe button. Let us know what you think. This might be the next big thing in DeFi or not. But you know what? Get involved with it and, get some rewards, take profits on the way up. And I think this will be okay, at least for the short term. All right, guys, talk to you soon. Hey guys, thanks so much again for viewing our wonderful video, and please don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button if you found value in this, and please ding the notification bell as well. Thanks so much. See you next time.